The following is an excerpt from the self-paced course powered by the Three Diamonds. It shares a practice for embodying the qualities of a mountain as a starting point for learning the energy map of the system of Reiki. You can find the full class at the URL on your screen. I'd love for us to take a moment to have a short practice where we can embody these qualities. We can kind of bring these from ideas, from poetic language into our bodies themselves. So I'm going to invite you to take a moment to either stand or sit. I'm going to remain seated so I can stay with you here on the screen. But if you'd like to stand, if your body would like a little stretch, this is a good one for that. And either way, coming into a posture that feels well supported. So if you're standing, your feet a little bit wider than hip distance, nice and stable, but not so wide that you feel rigid. Finding that sweet spot where you're still easefully alert and well supported. If you're seated, allowing perhaps your knees to be wide, allowing your feet to be wide, and taking a few moments to notice the sensation of your body in contact with the ground, in contact with the structures below you. Again, making any small adjustments that you need to feel well supported. For those of you familiar with yoga, you can come into mountain pose, which is pretty much where we're going with this right now, with that nice, tall, stable, easeful pose that rises from a stable and strong base. And in this position, I invite you to notice the rooted stability of your foundation, the bedrock of your body connected to the earth, rooted deep into the rock and soil and salt of the earth. Let's just take a few breaths with your attention resting on that sensation of your feet, your body well planted into the stone and soil of the earth. What do you notice in your body, in your mind, in your emotions when you focus in this way? Now I invite you to gently rise your attention from that firm, stable foundation up the center of your body, allowing your spine to rise gracefully from the stability of that foundation, easefully, secure on your bedrock. Notice the reach of your body into the air, the interaction with the spaciousness of the sky. You can even reach your arms upward to enhance these qualities in a variation of mountain pose. Feeling your body rising, reaching elegantly from that stable foundation. What do you notice in your body, your mind, your emotions when you focus in this way? Now bringing your attention deep into the unseen center of the mountain, a mysterious world of groundwater, veins of metal and stone, soil, the unseen life forms that thrive in the dark. In the fertile interior spaces of this world lie gems, tiny sparks of light, diamonds flickering in the darkness. In your body, this mysterious territory of connection lives in your heart. Take a moment to feel the mysterious, fertile movement of your heart, the way that it circulates life throughout your body, networked and connected through the mycelial network of your veins and your energy. do you notice in your body, in your mind, in your emotions when you focus in this way? Gently bringing your attention back to the spaces around you and giving yourself a gesture of completion. I'm going to bring some reflection questions up, and if you want to jot some responses down in your journal, you're welcome, or you can just hold them in your reflection. And if you'd like, I'd love for you to drop in the chat anything that feels of meaning to you as you consider these questions. Let me bring them up for you. So first, what characteristics do you associate with mountains? How do they interact with the landscape within which they stand? And how do you feel when you consider a mountain?